What's going on, guys? Coach Chrispect here. We're in lovely Vancouver, British Columbia. Check out where I live. I want to tell you a little bit about my Amazon journey thus far. I started about a year ago, and initially I was looking at social media marketing. I wanted to make some extra money because I wanted to free up my wife from working. But quickly did I realize that I didn't want to deal with people directly. I'd done that for 20 years and I wanted to get out of that industry. So I quickly just decided not to do social media marketing. And like a lot of you do, I'm sure, is a lot of research is done on YouTube. So you're looking at videos of social media marketing and other people who are doing reviews. And I stumbled upon selling on Amazon. And I started watching various people giving their advice and doing screencasts or screen demonstrations on how to sell on Amazon and actually how to make a fair amount of money doing so. And it appealed to me because the ability to leverage my money, which I had some money so I could invest it, to leverage my money and not have to work as hard as you would, say, in social media marketing, but yet get the same amount of return on my investment was really appealing to me. So I started watching a lot more videos on YouTube, a lot more videos. Geez, I must have watched hours and hours and hours of content a day for 2 weeks straight before I made a decision. And a lot of videos I was watching were almost like Q&A videos with a lot of gurus, if you will, or people who've been selling on Amazon for quite a few years, and they would do like a live stream and a lot of people would ask various questions, starting with the price of like a course, the price of like buying products, to, you know, cost of shipping, to like turn around, how fast you can earn money. I mean, the questions were, you know, there were a lot of questions that people were asking. And what I found intriguing is that those questions and that sort of format of how people got their information was really helpful for me to make a decision to start selling on Amazon, because I just wanted to make an extra $100 a day if I could, because I knew with that extra $100 I could free up my wife and she wouldn't have to work nights from 11 to 7 anymore. So I invested a few $100s into a course, and it was about 4 hours of content. It was broken down into 6 modules from introduction all the way through, literally A to Z, paint by numbers, practice, and almost really a blitz on how to start your Amazon business. Literally, I watched the course about 85% in the first night, and then started doing, I didn't even start doing anything. I bought all the tools immediately and invested some money and bought the product research tools that I needed to find a product that would essentially accomplish the goals that I set out, which were to sell 10 a day at $10 profit a day. So from the day I started to the day my product arrived at Amazon, it took about 5 weeks in total for my product to go live. So once it went live, it then took about another 4 weeks to get the product ramped up. So let me say this, it took about a month to get the product to start selling well, but let me say this, I got excited as soon as I started making sales, because I had done so many things in my life for the last 20 years that never worked and never gave me any results. None at all. I spent thousands of dollars, and I'm sure a lot of people watching this video have done the same thing, spent hundreds of dollars on other get rich quick and other avenues, but with no results. They just were spending money. What I love about Amazon is I got results, and it was tangible results. I literally just sent a product that was doing well based on the research of a tool that I seemingly trusted. I started sending products to Amazon, and people were buying them from all over the country. Within the first 2 months of selling on Amazon, I'd hit my target of selling 10 items a day, making $100 a day, making approximately $3,000 a month selling on Amazon. And that was my entire goal at first. And I achieved it within 2 months of selling on Amazon. So anybody out there who's watching this video, if you're looking for a way to make extra money selling online, Amazon's the best platform by far. It's got 1 billion customers. It's got platforms all over the world. It's very easy to use, and it becomes passive to the point where once you've created the listing, the store, it sells for you. It sells while you sleep. You wake up in the morning and you see that you have sales and that you've made money. You'll go through every day looking at your phone because there's an app, and you'll see that you are making money while you're not working. You could be working another job and your Amazon will still be selling to customers while you're doing whatever it is you want to do. You could be sightseeing, beautiful province or country that you live in. You could do anything you want, and your Amazon business is going to be generating money. It's exciting, man. There's so many things that I'm accomplishing now for my family and for my wife in particular, and for my kids in particular, and for myself. And it's easy to do because all the tools are there for anybody to be successful. There's a lot of great people in the industry that I've met personally, that I follow, that I mentor, that I watch their YouTube content with. I just find it a fascinating industry to be on. My initial goal was to make $3,000 a month selling on Amazon, and I've achieved that. My goal was to just free up my wife and bring her home from working nights. I didn't want her to do that anymore, and this business allows me to achieve that. So now I've changed my goals. I have big passions that I want to achieve because now I realize it works, and it can work for anybody who works the business. I've changed my goal, and by change I mean upgraded. Now I want to go after my passions, and in order to do that, I need to 10x my goals. So my initial achievement, I got to create that 10 times over. So I found one product that sells 10 a day. Now I'm going to find 10 products that each sell 10 a day. Once you get a great taste of success selling on Amazon, the feeling you get is that you can duplicate this over and over and over. My initial goal was to achieve this level of success selling on Amazon by the 1 year point starting the business. So I'll let you guys do the math on that. It is an amazing business. I am so happy that I found a course on how to sell on Amazon, and I'm so happy that I am grateful that I took initiative to do it despite many people saying that it's saturated and that there's no money left and that you have to be one of the top sellers, and that it's all untrue. You just have to start. You just have to take action. You just have to know and feel that it's going to work. There are a lot of work that you have to put into it initially, but once you build the foundation for your products, Amazon does the rest of the work for you. If you're looking for a business that could make you an extra $3,000 a month, or $1,500 a month, or $1,000 a month, if you're looking big picture, maybe you want to make 10 grand a month, whatever it is, it doesn't matter. That's your goal. That's your goal and your dream. If you're looking for a business that can do that for you guys, I would recommend look into selling on Amazon. Look at videos on YouTube and just see what, and especially look at videos that are Q&A based, because it's people like you and I that have questions, that want answers, and a lot of these guys who post those videos generally have a good idea and understanding of how it works, how selling on Amazon works. So if you're looking for a business that will make you extra money, then look no further. Definitely check out selling on Amazon. My name is Coach Chrispect, guys, and I started a consulting business a few months after starting an Amazon business because people wanted help. I'll be happy to report I've helped a lot of people start the process, and I've answered hundreds of questions through my YouTube channel to coach people through the process and different steps that they get stuck at. And I understand the process from A to Z, and I know how it's done. The course definitely is a blueprint, a roadmap, so that you can just follow along, check the boxes, and achieve the same amount of success that I have. For those of you who are interested in becoming an Amazon professional seller and want to make an extra $3,000 a month selling on Amazon, hit me up in the comment section below. The number one thing I had when I bought a course was support. When you buy my course, you get me for support. If you're not 100% satisfied with the course or with me, I'll give you your money back. You have a 30-day guarantee on that. My promise to you is that I will support you and help you all the way until your first $3,000 paycheck.